So before we start on this 2008 Ford Focus for the front sway bar links on both sides, I've already done the driver's side and tore up, but pretty easy job, pretty straightforward. You're gonna save yourself a couple $100 doing this yourself, but as I said before I start doing this, I want to say I'm just hit my 2,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate each and every one of you. Glad to see the channel's growing day after day. I love the emails, love the comments, try to keep up with every single one of them, help out as much as I can to save you money. I am now on Patreon, so if you want to help this channel grow even more, I can film more if I have more time. If I'm paid more, I film more. So, but anyways, appreciate every single one of you. My store will be up and running any day now. Not that it matters, because during this video, you could be watching it 2 years from now. So check for the store. Anyways, it's a 19mm, or 3/4, I'm sorry, 3/4 for the same thing, for the lug nuts. Here's the problem, child. So very broke. But they're plastic, what do you expect? So on the driver's side, I had a really good luck with heat. If you are applying heat, keep it away from the shock or strut. Try to hit the side of that bolt away from it. It's going to get hot, but it's not going to have direct heat and heat up that gas inside there. Kind of want to liquefy that Loctite. Pretty much what I'm getting at. In hopes I can get this 15mm nut off. Like that. So, not terrible. Ooh, it sheared off, look at that. That's been hitting some stuff. Nice. Alright, so for this bottom one, same thing. Try to hit it with some heat first. Oh, you guys bored yet? I'm bored. So let's try it. Hit it. Same thing, 15. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can find something to grab it. That's not it. I'm using a 17mm to grab the ball. break out the TC 2022. Assembled in Turkey. Weird. All right. This one's also plastic. I mean, they do make other models, other versions of this, but this one's OEM, lifetime warranty. So if it made it since 2008, hopefully it'll outlive the car. This one's gonna be a tiny bit different just because it is a 17mm bolt. So, start off top just because it's easier. Now we aren't going to use the hex center. We're going to just take a 16mm and grab a hold of the nut, and then I'll drive it in. You can tell where I was rubbing the axle. So we'll come back here, same thing. Gotta remember turning it to the back side of the car. Okay. And your torque spec is getting as tight as you can. That's all you have to do. But anyways, that is your front sway bar link. It's about a 5-minute job. I think I did it in 6 or 7. Yeah, it's a pretty good groove back there that was digging. I'll tell them about that, see what they want to do about that. But so far, no issues. So, all right. Hope you liked the video. Thumbs up. Keep subscribing. Tell friends and family and whoever the heck you know, your coworkers. And see you next time.